Bollywood very recently celebrated its 100th birthday, and when we talk about Bollywood, we cannot exclude fashion. Bollywood fashion is something so crazy. Everybody in the country follows Bollywood fashion, and the one man that really has influenced Bollywood fashion over the years is definitely Manish Malhotra. And today, Manish Malhotra is paying a tribute to 100 years of Indian cinema in Bengaluru, and all this put out right here for you only on News 9. After Mumbai and Delhi, the pampered designer of Bollywood, Manish Malhotra, came down south to Namma city to display what he does best. An exclusive collection celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema was showcased by Manish Malhotra in Bengaluru amidst elite crowds who sure were thrilled to witness Bollywood's fashion over the decades. Manish's collection was inspired by the three main eras in Indian cinema. From 1913 to 2013, he paid homage to the distinctive styles of every iconic period. Starting off with the black and white collection, Manish paid a tribute to the black and white films of the 1950s on the runway. Women in black and white lehengas, anarkalis and saris with contrasting embroidery strutted on the ramp with oomph, while the men sported sherwanis and suits in black and white.
बाबूजी धीरे चलना प्यार में जरा संभलना हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में बाबूजी धीरे चलना ये मोहब्बत है भोले भाले करना दिल को हम के हवाले नाजुक बहुत है आके होठों से टूटेंगे चाले हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में बाबूजी धीरे चलना प्यार में जरा संभलना हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में बाबूजी धीरे चलना हो गई है किसी से जो अनबन थाम ले दूसरा कोई दामन जिंदगानी की राहें अजब है तो अकेला तो लाखों है दुश्मन हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में बाबूजी धीरे चलना प्यार में जरा संभलना हाँ बड़े धोखे हैं इस राह में
You know, Manish Malhotra is an iconic Bollywood designer. You think Bollywood, you think Manish. And I think that's very interesting, the fact that he's tied up with Style Tag at Embassy. And Style Tag is from Folio, which is 22 years old now. And I think the people who really defined fashion in Bangalore, because they opened Bangalore's very first designer store. And that's Sanjay and Yashodhara Shroff I'm talking about. And they've tied up with Jeetu now, 22 years later, to create a sort of a website with a very fashionable viewpoint. And Manish Malhotra is going to be the sort of lead designer on the website this month. And he's down right here in Bangalore, shown us a beautiful collection, a tribute to 100 years of Indian cinema. And Manish is the kind of name that you think of when you think of Bollywood glamour, and you think of Pooh and Karishma and Kareena and the kind of clothes they wear. And I think that Manish has really defined the Bollywood look that we know and love.
Then came the burst of colors and the anarkalis with fitted salwars from the 1960s.
खोया खोया चांद खुला आसमान आँखों में सारी रात जाएगी.
Following that was the polka dots of the 1970s and the flower power of the 1980s. Men in their polka dotted, checkered and striped blazers and trousers set the stage on fire.
आँखों में सारी रात जाएगी. तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी.
The crowd couldn't stop their applause after seeing the women in their polka dotted outfits that included blouses worn by the likes of Dimple Kapadia in the 70s.
मस्ती भरी हवा जो चली, मस्ती भरी हवा जो चली, खिल खिल गई ये दिल की कली, मन की गली में है खलबली के उनको तो बुलाओ. हो खोया खोया चांद खुला आसमान आँखों में सारी रात जाएगी. तुमको भी कैसे नींद आएगी. ओ खोया खोया चांद. तारे चले नजारे चले, तारे चले नजारे चले, संग संग मेरे वो सारे चले, चारों तरफ इशारे चले, किसी के तो हो जाओ. खोया खोया चांद खुला आसमान आँखों में सारी.
I just loved it. I mean, to look at cinema come down the runway like that in sequence and see like the florals and polka dots and then the retros and then the 80s and the disco come across. I just loved it, to be honest. And my favorite were the saris. I love saris. I love the way they drape. He did it so much justice and the chiffons were amazing.
The collection was amazing. I mean, he's been associated with Bollywood for so many years now. He's one of the pioneers, like, who introduced fashion to Bollywood. I thought the collection was very reminiscent of the last many, many years of Indian cinema, and it was a great portrayal of fashion today, yesterday, and what it used to be. I love the play of polka dots. It's already come back into fashion now, so I think he did a great job. I love the clothes, amazing.
I think Manish is absolutely fabulous. Even though he makes Kareena Kapoor wear napkins, I think he's fabulous. He's a fabulous designer. And I made a bakra of him on MTV once. And he's a wonderful human being and he's a fabulous designer. I love his very, very bright clothes. Well, Bollywood is always a favorite topic now the world over. And Manish Malhotra is the king of Bollywood because I think he designs for all the top actresses. And I'm really looking forward to it. I think at the end of the day, I'm going to wear something Bollywood too. Ta-da!
Manish showed emphasis on disco bling from the late 1980s onwards, which evolved into more subtle styles gradually.
Then came the most important era for Manish, the 1990s, when he started as a costume designer in Bollywood. An AV was run showing highlights of the Hindi film industry and popular movies that Manish worked for as a costume designer for stars like Sridevi, Aishwarya Rai, Madhuri, Kareena Kapoor and several others till date.
The nostalgia part, where they went back, back into 100 years of Indian cinema, those fabulous clothes, and he's got the whole essence of the whole thing so well. Manish Malhotra is a real maestro. Fabulous clothes. But I love the chicken and the sequins, the chicken work and the sequins, fabulous.
It's always a privilege to work with Manish Malhotra. We had a great time. As usual, he's more than a designer, he's a really close friend of ours. So he's fantastic.
Especially evocative for Manish is the 1990s, which is when he started designing for films, reinventing pastels and chiffons for the big screen. He infused the use of casual, chic and shaded fabrics in his design ethos, thus giving rise to lavish garments in Indian cinema. Models strutted the ramp with grand, colourful lehengas, anarkalis and sherwanis. The colours that dominated were definitely the neons. Men were mostly in dark-coloured sherwanis that perfectly complemented the bright shades worn by the women. The man who created the entire ensemble was obviously surrounded by admirers, and how could News 9 not catch up with the creator himself?
So if there is one man who's really made Bollywood the way it really looks now, it definitely has to be Manish Malhotra. And the one designer who really deserves to pay tribute to 100 years of cinema has to be the man who's standing right here with me. Manish, fantastic job. Tell us something about your collection.
It's a theme which is so close to my heart. I also did it at Fashion Week, and we went to Vancouver. We're here tonight. And, for me, my influences, my learning has all been watching movies. And Indian cinema movies, Bollywood movies. And so this is all an amalgamation of all those thoughts and all those influences, from black and white to the classic 60s, to the polka dot 70s, to the bling 80s, to now, and to what I do today. It's a lot of Kashmiri embroidery, lots of flowing long kurtas. So I enjoy doing that, yeah.
Well, I mean, is it your love for movies and your love for fashion? What weighs heavier?
Well, I think films, because it's since childhood, and because of films I got into fashion. So films will be always before fashion, and that's it. But today they both are the same for me. They both are one.
You have been one designer who's really evolved over the years and you've really adapted to styles and current trends. How did you manage to do that? What really inspires you?
But I think because I love working, I put a lot of thought to what's wrong, what's right, what am I doing wrong, what should I keep changing. And I think I like change, I enjoy it. I like evolving. If you say I'm evolving, then I like evolving. Thank you.
But another question about who is your favorite star? I mean, all of us know that you've grown many different film actors. And who's your favorite star when you have to grow?
I know it's going to sound very diplomatic, but you know, all of them who work with me, who believe in me. But I think I've had a long association with Sri Devi, Kajol, Karishma Kapoor, Urmila, Kareena. So there's so many years with them, and I think years and time is something you can never replace.
Well, Bollywood cinema has also evolved. What do you think is the current trend as of now? Everything seems to be, there is no line between fashion. I mean, you know, the retro is in, the black and white is in, everything is in. So what do you have to say about the current fashion?
So it's time to enjoy. But I think this summer neon has been in. Like you saw the clothes, the flash of color, that's been very in.
Okay, tell us something about what you displayed to us. A quick word on that.
Well, today was, like you said, black and white, went into color, and then came into the polka dots of the 70s, the bling of the 80s, and then we showed a lot of collection that we do today. So it's a whole mix, it's a wide spectrum.
What do you decide what goes on? I mean, what an actor and actress looks like? Like, for example, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Deepika Padukone's back to saris. I mean, instead of like wearing short clothes with all the chashme.
It depends on the script, the director, what they have to say, what they want, and then I put in my bit, and that's how it comes.
Another thing I'm very tempted to ask, you're a very good-looking designer. Did you ever think of getting into movies, at least for how much you love movies?
Do I what?
Act in movies, maybe? Very good.
I'm good like that. I'm happy like that.
Well, we're very happy to have you like that. Thank you so much, Manish.
Bengaluru was sure mighty impressed. Everyone in attendance was on their feet with applause and then went on to enjoy their gala evening.
The kind of fashion couture we saw on the runway, simply mind-blowing, wasn't it? Different eras, different iconic eras. Manish Malhotra simply did a fantastic job by showing us from the black and white, taking us through black and white to retro, polka dot, to the 21st century. It was simply amazing. We're Bangaloreans are always open and welcome to more such events like this in the city. With camera person Naresh, Nabila for News 9.